This is the major feature that Talk mentioned. It is the shortcuts feature. Now the shortcuts feature is a really good idea. You can actually use it for a lot of things, but there is a fundamental flaw with it. Only records the gestures on the device. There is no relation to whatever is on the screen. Okay, so for example, if you want to start recording the gestures, you press and hold and the green light comes on, and then you do whatever gestures that you want to do, like maybe for say, go into TikTok and then change a few filters and start the recording. So the next time you don't have to do all of that, you just have to press. And then you stop recording gestures by pressing the button again. And the next time when you want to use it, you just have to press the function button once and the green light will start blinking and carry out all the gestures that you recorded. This would work if your mouse pointer was in the exact same position as it was when you started recording the gestures, because it records everything from the trackpad movement to the button presses, and it will execute exactly what you input. So if you are using it in landscape all of a sudden and you were originally recording the gestures in portrait, it's not going to work. It's probably going to press into some other application and it's going to go haywire, pressing some other buttons and doing some other things, swiping right, swiping left, depending on what gestures you input in. This shortcuts feature is used for very specific purposes. Because you can't record multiple shortcuts, there's only one. I think if you're a heavy TikTok user, then you can use it in TikTok, and just maybe you have a particular filter that you need to swipe a few times to get into, or there's a particular sound that you need to use. This would be exactly the kind of feature for you to quickly get through that part of the content creation process and get to what you need to say